Would you like to learn how to repair rigid or flexible endoscopes? If so, you can join our endoscope repair courses accompanied by our expert engineers either online or live. Our courses are special for people broken or damaged endoscopes with you and repair it with our trainers. Thus, you can improve your training skills. In our rigid endoscope repair course, you'll be learning the structure of endoscopes and changing of rod lenses, objective lenses, solderable sapphire windows, light guide fibers and tube changing at the ENT telescopes, cystoscopes, hysteroscopes, laparoscopes and arthroscopes. Our technical support continues after courses. You can call us anytime and get technical support and information about spare parts and all tools for repairing.
Hello, my name is Anis and I am from Tunisia. I'm here in Istanbul for training for endoscopic repair, endoscopic rigid training. I am with Meg Medical company. I am very happy to be here because I learn knew how from here, from Mr. Ibrahim and from Mrs. Oslam. I learn how I can repair rigid endoscope, how can I open rigid endoscope, how can I diagnostic the type of parts, and I'm very happy for this experience.
Our training center is located in the center of Istanbul and it is very close to historical places and shopping centers. We pick our trainees up from the airport and bring them back after the course. The contracted hotels are only 5 minutes away from our training center and the accommodation is on us. For more information, contact us on WhatsApp.